Good morning, welcome to Sugar Puff and Fluff News. I just feel with this shirt and my hair, I should be reading news. Hi everyone, welcome to day 5 of the week with the Emily Noel edit. Today I thought I will do like a one eyeshadow look, smoky one eyeshadow look, and you know I love doing those. They are very quick and they are also very good for hooded eyes. Just a little side note, I can't help myself because I keep getting messages still that my eyes are not hooded. What have I done to my eyes? They are still hooded. So I mean, it sounds really stupid because it's like this is something so fabulous to have that I have to convince you. It's not, it's just that I feel like sometimes people insinuate that I had something done and I'm not telling you. And I think you can always see at the beginning of the video. So these are my eyes. You can see they are still hooded. Yes, I feel like they look better and I think the skin on my eyes is tighter. And the only thing I can attribute it to is all the retinol products that I'm using. And also, I talk like this all the time and I can stretch my eyelids so my eyes then don't look hooded. And but you know, on one hand I take it as a compliment because that means that my tutorials for hooded eyes really work if you think at the end of it that my eyes are not hooded. Okay, let's start. I think I'm going to do it with Capricorn. It is quite dark. It doesn't look that dark. Oh yeah, because I was pointing at that one. It's quite a dark brown. I love it. I might use another eyeshadow maybe just to blend it out a bit, but most of it will be done with this eyeshadow. I'm taking it on a Delium Tools 785 brush and it is not very dense. It's more like a blending brush, but I don't want to go in with the dense brush first because you know the denser the brush, the more eyeshadow deposits on your eyelid, and this is quite dark, so I want to go easy. So I'm going into Capricorn, tap it off, and I'm going to press it first onto my mobile lid. It's a beautiful color, I love it. It looks very brown in there, but when you put it on your lid it has a bit of a, I don't know, like a burgundy undertone. So I'm just putting it right up to my crease, and then with whatever is left I'm gonna start blending it out and upwards, and I'm just doing like a half moon so you don't have to worry about your outer 7, nothing. So it is very smoky, but you could do it with the prayer, which is like a lighter brown one, and have a more everyday look with it. You can do it with so many eyeshadows. So that's all you do. It's the easiest look in the world. And now I'm not putting my brush in anymore. I'm just going to blend it like above my crease. I might need to use another eyeshadow just to warm it up a bit. Now I can go in with more dense brush like my Real Techniques shading brush. Go back into Capricorn and make it darker just here. So now I'm going to go into Midwest, which is that light brown, and I will just very slightly blend the edge of it out, just to warm it up a bit, because it is quite cool shadow, that Capricorn. Yeah, that looks a bit better. And I'm going to go with Capricorn on my lower lash line as well. I'm going to go to Midwest again and soften it just underneath, so that's the lightest brown. Remember, I will always list in a description box the colors that I've used. And that's your eyeshadow done. I might actually see if I could put something lighter under my brow bone, but you don't need to do it. I'm just experimenting, you know, I'm using this palette with you as we speak. I haven't done any of these looks before. So I'm going to take Oh Heavens and just put it under my brow, just in the arch. Shall we try to put a bit of it in the inner corner? Yes, I like that. I really like this look. Well, I liked all the looks. Now if you can leave it like this, just put mascara on, or you can make it a bit more sultry using any black kohl pencil. So I'm going to put that in my waterline. And I will put a bit here, just on the outer portion of my eye, just to smoke it a bit more. And it doesn't have to be precise, because then what we do, that's not supposed to happen. I will take the spongy bit and smudge it. And this is my Maybelline Smoky, I don't know, half of it is being eaten now, shadow pencil, Smoky, I can't remember what it was called. Okay, let's do mascara now. And that's the eye finished. Well, both eyes. For my lips, I'm going to use MAC lip pencil in Soar. That I haven't sharpened. MAC lipstick in Faux. Don't need to use any gloss, but I will. Purr Glossy Cat. Again, everything, my lips and my eyes will be listed in the description box. And that is your finished look. I love one eyeshadow looks. I just think they are quick, they're easy, and they give you that smoky effect. Okay, my lovelies, so this was day 5. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow, and stay fabulous. Bye.